What's up, YouTube? Wanna Ride Bikes here with a quick little tip thing I find out.
You know, when you get a new Comcast modem or any cable service,
When you get new items from your cable service because you have to upgrade, you get a little thing that is very handy when you have cables, when you have camera products, and you need to tie them up. Here's my little tip.
these come with that. They're little Velcro tie straps. It tells you, one says power, one says coax, the other one says Ethernet. Now, I had to upgrade my modem, and I have my security through Xfinity, and I have a whole bunch of these, and I use them for my camera straps to tie them up, or Velcro something to your backpack. Comes in handy.
That's just a little tip on what to use because Velcro straps, they come in handy. Thanks for watching.